Hey everyone, welcome to Mid-Pack Off-Road. Today I'm going to show you how I take care of my motocross boots to get the longest possible life out of them. So I guess first and foremost, whenever I wash these guys, I do not use a power washer on it. I just use a simple garden hose. I use simple green on them and a light brush just to kind of get all the sediment and everything off of them. I also try to avoid getting too much inside the boot if at all possible. Try and keep that as dry as I can. So after that, what I will do is turn these upside down. I'll let any water drain out of them for a couple hours or so. And then what I do is pick up these cheap USB fans here. You can get these guys off Amazon or electronics store. And really all I do is keep this opened up. Run this small fan inside there. I'll let that go overnight, and then I'll go ahead and close everything back up and store it that way afterwards. So big thing with this is anytime that you get any water in there from riding or washing these, you'll want to do this. Also, anytime I ride, I will always do this, just even because sweat will get in there. Any kind of moisture, we want to get rid of that, and that'll get you the longest possible life out of your boots. So again, they make fancy, boot dryers and things like that, but you can get these cheap USB fans. It takes a little bit longer to do it, but works just fine for just a fraction of the cost. So hope this helps, and we'll see you in the dirt.